Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to enable eye comfort mode in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To enable our eye comfort shield mode, we will have to go here and eye comfort shield is here. Now it's active, but we can go to settings, display option right here, and here we have eye comfort shield 2, and here we can customize our shield. We can change color, temperature, or set a schedule here. Let's turn it off to our default mode, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.